students, how are you? So today we are going to learn about describing place, describing place. And before we start, I'm just going to remind you that you should make a video about describing people, and you can refer to the last week video in order to make the clip of yourself. Okay, and now today we are going to talk about places. um, okay, this is the first question for you. Have you ever been to Bangkok? Yes or no? If you have been to Bangkok, you can answer with yes, I have. If you haven't, then you can say no, I haven't. Okay, but I expect you to answer yes, I have, because next question will be, what do you think about Bangkok? What do you think about Bangkok? You can answer with I think Bangkok is a blank and then place. Okay, so these are the questions that you can learn today, that we are going to learn today. And before doing that, we're going to learn about 6 adjectives to talk about place first. First of all, ancient. Ancient. So ancient is a source of history or past tense, past events. Okay, so ancient or historical place. And the second one is beautiful. So beautiful is pleasing and aesthetic. So basically it's very beautiful place, and as you can see in the picture, they're colorful and pleasing the senses or mind aesthetically. Okay, so that is basically what is called as beautiful place. And then the next one will be crowded. So crowded is full of people. Okay, crowded is full of people, just like in the picture. And then the next one is peaceful place. Peaceful. Peaceful is a place that has little noise or no noise at all. That's what we call it as peaceful. The second one, it's a little bit tricky. It's picturesque. Picturesque. Okay, picturesque is visually attractive in a dramatic way. It's very, very, very beautiful. So it's extremely beautiful. That's what we call it as picturesque. And the next one is holy. Holy place is the place that is dedicated for or to God or a religious purpose. This is a sacred place, so that's what we call it as holy place. Okay, and we're going to learn about useful expressions. This is very easy. The first one is, what do you think about, and then you mention about the place. For example, what do you think about Khao Yai? What do you think about Khao Yai? And the next one is, how do you describe and mention the name of the place. For example, how do you describe Krabi Island? How do you describe Krabi Island? Okay, the next one is how to answer those questions. I think that I think blank is a adjective and then place. For example, I think Khao Yai is a peaceful place. Peaceful place. Okay, and then the second one, I would describe the name of the place and then as a adjective again, place. For example, I would describe Krabi Island as a picturesque place. Okay, so these are the useful expressions. You may write it down in your notebook. And one more time, what can you see in, for example, like this, what can you see in Bangkok? And then you'll say, I can see temples and skyscrapers in Bangkok. So that's example of it. Okay, so keep learning. This is the practice for us. Okay, Please write it down in your notebook and then you practice your reading. This one as well. You can pause the video and then you can write this down in your notebook. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Um, please don't forget to do the worksheet on the Google form. Okay, bye bye.